what's up YouTube, it's your boy Prince and I'm back again with another exciting video. Well guys, in today's video I'll be analyzing for you DXY, Gold and Nasdaq for the upcoming week. So guys, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and comment down below and tell me which currency pair do you want me to analyze on the upcoming video. So yeah guys, let me not waste any of your time and continue with the video. So yeah guys, as you can see right now, we're on the 4-hour time frame on the DXY, and as you can see, it is creating higher highs guys. It is on an uptrend guys. So yeah guys, let's make our trend right now, looking way forward. Guys, when the market is making higher highs, it means that it is buying. It is on a high momentum of buys guys. So guys, as you can see on our trend right now, we have an uptrend on the DXY that indicates that it has more potential of going to the upside. So yeah guys, we have our support. We could have backed more buys over here. We could have backed more buys over here on this support over here. But guys, one thing that I will show you right now on how to enter. Let's go to the one hour time frame right now. As you can see guys, on the 1 hour time frame, the market, it looks like it's consolidating guys. One thing for sure guys, we will be waiting for buys on this support level over here. But for now guys, when the market opens on Monday, I'll be looking for sellers. You understand guys, I'll be looking for sellers, but I'll explain right now why I'm looking for sellers on Monday. Let me create my my resistance zone over at the top. This is my resistance over here. I'll be looking for sellers. I think we have a pattern over here again, like this. We will be looking for sellers right at this zone over there guys. It is safe to enter at that zone because guys, we on our resistance over there, and then it is again advisable because our zone over there at the resistance will be a proper way to put our stop loss at the top right there at our resistance over there. So guys, as you can see, we had an impulse over here. We had an impulse to the downside, then it created a consolidation going to the upside. That meaning that the buyers were weak, so we expecting sellers over here guys. I'll be entering my sales on USD currencies on Monday, probably expecting sales on the DXY guys. So yeah, right now let's go to gold. We're expecting buys on DXY, so let's check gold. We're expecting short-term sellers on DXY, then an impulse to the upside on the DXY guys. Right now we're on gold. Let me start on the 4-hour time frame. Right now we're on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see guys, on gold, it's clear guys, straightforward. I'm expecting sales because obviously on DXY expecting buys, bullish momentum, but we have short-term sales on DXY. So guys, on gold is pretty clear and straightforward because we have a pattern over there. I'll show you the pattern right now. As you can see guys, we have a consolidation pattern over there. Is a bearish flag over here. Guys, analyzing is very simple guys. You just need to know your patterns and all of that. Let me zoom in for you. Over here we have a bullish flag guys. A bullish flag indicates sellers. On DXY we expecting buys. On gold we expecting sellers. Confirmed guys. Trading forward. Monday I'll be selling gold, probably buying XAU USD. Pardon, I'll be buying USD on Monday guys. On gold I'll be selling. As you can see right now, we have a bearish flag on gold, but DXY guys is not like clear right now, but we'll see on Monday. I'll update you guys on what to do on the DXY. But on gold guys is trading forward. I'm looking for sales. So yeah guys, right now I'm looking to sell up to this zone over here, up to this zone, up to this level, actually up to this level. I'll be looking for an impulse, but guys, we don't control the market. We just follow. The market might return at this support level again. We understand that's our first TP over there, and over here at the bottom that's our second TP. So yeah guys, on gold I'm expecting sellers. Let's go to US100 right now. Guys, like my skill right now guys is way too much. I'm winning, I'm getting the bag guys. Right now we're on US100. Let's see the pattern. Yeah, we're on our uptrend right now on US100. See guys, over here we have a zone where the market kind of bounced. So guys, we are on our 4-hour time frame on US100, and it's clear that it shows us a bullish momentum to the upside. It's an uptrend guys. Let's see over here. The safest way is to take your buys over here for scalpers over there guys. If you are scalping US100, you can take your buys over here up to this level over here guys, because the market is creating lower lows, meaning it has high momentum of sellers guys. On US100 it might break, it might go to the downside, but for now guys, I'm looking for buys on US100 guys. Sellers not that much, because as you can see we're on an uptrend guys. I'll be looking only for sellers when we break our zone over there, when we break our support level over there guys, our resistance, sorry about that, our resistance. I'll be taking sales to the downside, but for now guys, I think I should be taking buys when the market opens on Monday. So yeah guys, buys are long term on US100 and sellers short term guys. As you can see right there over here, let me do like this so you can see clearly what I'm talking about guys. As you can see, the market is kind of consolidating, going to the downside guys. So yeah guys, for me I'm looking for buys on US100, guys. Period. When I break my resistance over there, I'm taking my buys, guys. So yeah, guys, it's all from me today. uh I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, because I'll be back with more videos and more live trading. I'll be giving you guys free signals. Just leave a comment down below, leave your number or something. I'll add you on my free WhatsApp group. I'll give you free Nasdaq signals, gold signals, and USD signals, guys. So yeah, guys, it's all from me. Peace.